Copyright can be granted by public law and are in the case considered territorial rights. This means that copyrights granted by the law of a certain states do not extend beyond the territory of that specific jurisdiction. Copyrights of this type vary by country, many countries, and sometimes in a large group of countries have made agreements with other countries of procedures applicable when works cross national borders, national rights, and inconsistent.
Plagiarism. Plagiarism is when someone uses another person's work, ideas, or words without giving proper credit and presents them as they were their own. What counts as plagiarism? Plagiarism can happen in different ways. For example, copying text word for word from a book, website, or article without mentioning the source. Paraphrasing, rewriting in your own words someone else's ideas without crediting them, using images, videos, or music, or data created by someone else without permission or acknowledgement. Submitting someone else's work or buying work and claiming it is yours. What is not plagiarism? Using your own original ideas, using information that in common knowledge, for example, the earth orbits the sun. Quoting or paraphrasing without proper citation, naming the author's source. Why is plagiarism a problem? It is dishonest and unfair to the original creator. In school and universities, it can lead to service penalties, learning grades suspension. Informational work, it can cause legal issues and damage population. How to avoid plagiarism? Always mention the source when using someone else's work. In schools and universities, it can lead to serious penalties, failing grades, suspension, and formational work. It can cause legal issues and damage reputation. How to avoid plagiarism? Always mention the source when using someone else's work. Use quotation marks for exact quotes. Paraphrase properly and still cite the original author. More.
Welcome. What fair use is for? Few use typical fair use like commonly or concept news report, teaching and education, school scholarship or research, parody or satire. Number one, purpose culture of the use as it is the character of the use acts. It is definitive and new meaning, analyze or message. Ingon sa din community for analyze. Right. Number two, nature of the compliant work as the armed factor or city factor works new research but amount and substitutionally use of did you use only what was needed. She is been she is been but
Good day, viewers. Today we're talking about basic etiquette or network etiquette. Provide a framework for professional and respectful digital interaction. Adhering to this norm prevents misunderstanding and maintain your digital reputation. In etiquette, we have three core principles. First, the human element. Remember that there is a person on the other side of the screen. Avoid saying things digitally that you would not say in person. Second, clarity and brevity. Be concise and get to the point quickly to respect the response time. Third and last, think before you post. Digital footprints are permanent. Once information is shared on social media or via email, it can be achieved or screenshot. And that's for all this day. Thank you.